This quick store cupboard supper is ready in just 15 minutes. To serve two, you will need a 200-gram can of Essential Waitrose tuna steak in spring water, 2 Essential Waitrose white muffins, split and toasted, 1 to 2 tablespoons of Waitrose sun-dried tomato and olive tapenade, 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar, some optional hollandaise sauce to serve, and 4 Waitrose Colombian blacktail eggs. Place the drained tuna into a bowl and break up the flesh with a fork. Add the tapenade and mix well. Spread the split toasted muffins with the tuna mix. Heat a wide, shallow pan of water until just simmering, then add the vinegar. Break an egg into a small dish and slide the egg into the water. Simmer gently for 3 to 4 minutes or until just set. Repeat with the remaining eggs. Remove the eggs from the pan with a slotted spoon and drain. Arrange the eggs on the tuna-topped muffins. Spoon over the hollandaise and sprinkle with finely chopped chives. Serve with a glass of Villa Maria Private Bin Rosé.